Now it's time for project demonstration. I have made a test database in which there are two tables, admin table and student table. Admin table has a structure. It has ID as a primary key, name column, email and password column. Now student table also has ID as the primary key column, then roll number, first name, last name, father name, gender, department, date of registration, email and password columns. Now we will see the project. So this is the home page of the project. Student can log in to this project. Now after clicking the login button, this form will show. First of all, we have to register. For registration, there is a proper registration form with proper validation, so that the data that will be inserted in the database will be submitted in the proper format. Let's try with some input. So there is an error because this ID from the software department, the ID 01 has been already registered, so I have to change the department. Now I have changed the department. So now I have successfully registered, and now I can log in. I will show you from the database that my record has been inserted. Here you can see that AFSA telecommunication engineering, and this record has been inserted in the database. Now I will log in from the same account. So this is my details that I have gave at the time of registration, and the student can log out from the website. So this was all from the student part. Now we will see the admin part. Admins can only be registered by DBL. I have registered 2 admins already, so I am using one of them. Now this is the admin panel. We can add a student, we can view a student, delete or update a particular student. For example, I have to view this record, so I click on the view button. In this way, we can view the updates of all the students. So I want to update the record of this Palvisha Freebie from I've changed her department to telecommunication engineering to software engineering, to update her record. Software engineering, and I click on the update button. Now I will see her details again. Her record has been updated from telecommunication engineering to software engineering. Let's see from the database. Her record has been updated, and here it is written software engineering. We can also delete account. For example, I want to delete this account, roll number 73. I press on the delete button, and now this record has been deleted. We will see from the database also. You can see this roll number having 73 and name Navera has been deleted. So this was all from the admin panel. We can log out.